Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Meet Sabache, and I am an accredited seller of the MCA Home. So today, ang i-discuss ko po sa inyo is yung project update natin para kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay po? Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So, I hope napanood niyo yung mga project updates ko last month. So, starting this month of November po, so let's start with the project update for Allegra Garden Place. So, right now, nandito ako sa amenity area niya. The first time na pinakita ko sa inyo to, medyo hindi pa completely finished yung amenity area natin. Pero right now, I think working na, and because may mga nakatira na dito kay Amina Building. They started the turnover 3 weeks ago. Okay, so by batch po yung mga turnover natin. So para doon sa mga unit owners natin kay Amina Building, so please check your emails or mobile numbers kasi nag-start na mag-contact yung property management office natin. Okay, so before I start the project update, a quick information muna about this project para doon sa mga hindi pa po nakakalam. So, Allegra Garden Place is located along Pasig Boulevard in Barangay Ilog, Pasig City. Ngayon, kung familiar kayo, kung dumadaan kayo kay Bagong Ilog Flyover going to Market, going to BGC, makikita nyo yung mga projects natin dito. So, dalawang projects kasi meron kami dito. The first one is the Principal Residences, and yung may dalawang mataas na building. So, that's Allegra Garden Place. So, here in Allegra Garden Place, meron tayong dalawang high-rise residential condominiums po that composed of 56 residential buildings. Okay, so 56 for Amina and 55 for the second building kay Soraya. So this one is the tallest building here in this area. Okay, so kaya ang kagandahan nito, 360 view ang makita mo from the roof deck or even from your unit if ang unit ninyo is nasa higher floor. So yun ang kagandahan po dito. And also here may mga available pa tayo na studio unit, na 1-bedroom unit, na 2-bedroom unit, and na 3-bedroom unit. Okay, so ang size niya will start from 30 square meters all the way to the 83 square meters. Okay, so ayan, so dito for those who are interested on this project po, nandiyan yung numbers ko. You may contact me anytime. So pwede tayong mag-schedule dito ng site viewing or pwede kong i-present sa inyo yung project via Zoom para sa mga clients natin based abroad. Okay, so let's start with the tour. So right now, nandito tayo sa lap pool. Okay, so this is the standard lap pool natin. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo. Okay, so this is the lap pool po. Okay, so this is the standard 5-lane pool. Okay, so okay na siya. Okay na yung pag-turnover na natin yung amenity area natin dito. So let's start with the main gate. So this is the main gate. Okay, so pagpasok mo po dyan sa main gate na yan, may ramp dyan na going to the basement parking pababa and going to the rotonda for the reception lobby natin. Okay, so dito sa area na to, pagpasok mo sa main gate, meron tayong makikita. Punta tayo dito sa isang part ng children's playground. So this is the children's playground. Yan. So modern na yung yung children's playground natin. So meron na tayong trampoline. So mas malaki yung trampoline natin dito. Okay. And then there sa taas yung elevated garden natin. So samahan nyo ako, let's go up on the elevated garden. Yeah. Okay, so this is the elevated garden. So open area siya. So for now, wala pang mga nakalagay. Pero soon, maglalagay sila ng mga, I think malalagay sila ng mga lounges dyan. Okay. So, this is the Pasig Boulevard. Yan. So, yan po pa sa Pasig Boulevard. Pasok mo, that's the main gate. Okay. And this is the first building. So, this is Amina building. And then the second one is the Saraya building. Okay? So, tara, ngayon po, baba po tayo. Okay, so from here, let's go again to the lap pool. Then let's go on the other side. The other parts of the amenity natin. So, dito, meron tayong lounge. Dito yung kiddie pool. Yung merong rock slide pool. And then, meron din tayong barbecue pits dito sa area na to. Okay, so dito, you may choose to do your barbecues outside para hindi mag-amoy yung unit po ninyo if you want to grill. And then here is the children's pool. And then there's also a part of the ayan, dun sa dulo nandun yung another set of playground there. So medyo modern na yung playground po natin dito. And then followed by the lounge pool. Ayan. Okay. So natapos na nila yung amenity area natin. So now meron akong ipapakita sa inyo. Let's go to the basement. Kasi before my last video, tinur ko kayo sa taas. So right now, ipakita ko sa inyo kung anong meron sa basement 1. Okay? So, but before we go there, this is our lobby and the reception area. So napakalaki and sobrang high ceiling. We are a Moroccan inspired. So yan po yung architectural theme natin. So this is the lobby area. See, ganda. So tara, samahan nyo ako, baba po tayo. So here pala, we have 12 elevators per each building. Ayan. So, ayan, baba tayo. Ayan.
Basement 1. Doors opening.
Thank you, kuya. Okay, so when you go down on the basement 1, so we're on the parking level. Okay, pero what you can see here in our basement 1 is our basketball court. Okay, so this is the first basketball court of the MCA Homes that is located on the basement 1. And for those dun sa mga mahilig mag-basketball, ang kagandahan dito po sa basketball court na to is this is a wooden court. So before, it is still under construction. So medyo hindi pa siya natapos. Pero right now, completely finished na yung basketball court natin. So tara, ito pakita ko po sa inyo. So ayan. So now this is the basketball court. So it's a wooden court po. So ang laki. So ang ganda. Okay. Ayan. So yun. So that concludes our project update for Allegra Garden Place. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project po, nandyan yung numbers ko pa naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp, okay? And also pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing, okay? Pwede natin puntahan itong project na to para mapakita ko sa inyo. And also, may mga model units din kami na actual units na pwedeng ipakita sa inyo, okay? So, again, thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video ko YouTube, ay ma-notify kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.